What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to another edition of 25 Days of Holi-Details. I am so pumped to bring you the DeWalt vacuum. Today, we're gonna focus on the vacuuming of a Toyota Sienna that is right here behind me. It's going to be so sick, and the vacuuming it's almost therapeutic. It's cathartic for me. I absolutely love vacuuming. I don't know why, just the drawing the little lines and everything. It's just, such a cool step. So let's go vacuuming. We'll start probably in the trunk. The customer and I talked as I was picking up this awesome Sienna and trim. When I vacuum, I typically don't take out the trim. I kind of view it as a face tattoo is what I compared it with the customer. You may be able to get it removed, but there's always going to be a mark. These trim pieces, sometimes when you pop them out, they just never go back in, right? So unless a customer specifically pays me to do it or requests that I take out specific pieces of trim, I'm not going to do it. I don't. It's just not worth the risk. It's really not. I don't even do it in my cars. Very, very infrequently do I have to take anything out like that. So I don't do it. A few other really sick tools when you're vacuuming. A drill brush, which you can use with any DeWalt. I use DeWalt drills. Oh, I almost dropped that. Lily brushes for hair. There's a bunch of different sizes. I have one that actually reaches into the crevices as well. What else? Really, coupled with the vacuum, I have a couple different ones. I like the one with a big head. That DeWalt one has such good suction, but it's almost never enough alone. The Tornador helps a ton to get that really ingrained dust particles out. And then of course, drill brush, lily brush, other brushes. That's it. Hope you have a good time. Thanks.